In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments with PayPal on WooCommerce, WordPress. If you've ever wanted to set up a seamless way for your customers to pay by credit card directly on your website, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're just starting your online store or looking to expand your payment options, integrating PayPal into WooCommerce is a vital step toward providing a smooth and professional checkout experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up to accept both PayPal and credit card payments effortlessly. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your website, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. From here, click on Plugins and then select Add New. Plugins are essentially add-ons that extend your website's functionality. And in this case, we're going to add one specifically for PayPal integration. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search bar in the top right corner. Go ahead and type in WooCommerce PayPal Payments. This will pull up the plugin we need. You'll want to look for the official one developed by WooCommerce. It's important to use the official plugin to ensure compatibility and security. When you've found it, click Install Now. The installation will take just a moment, and once it's done, the button will change to say Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is active, we need to configure it. From your dashboard, go back to the left-hand menu and locate WooCommerce. Hover over it and then click Settings. This will open the main settings page for WooCommerce. At the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says Payments. This is where you'll configure your payment methods. In the Payments tab, you'll see a list of available payment methods, including PayPal. Next to PayPal, there should be a button labeled Finish Setup. Click on this to begin the setup process. On the next screen, you'll see a large blue button that says Activate PayPal. Click that to proceed. At this point, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log into your PayPal account. It's important to note that you must use a PayPal business account for this integration, as personal accounts won't work. Enter your credentials and log in. Once you're logged in, PayPal will ask for your permission to connect with WooCommerce. Click Agree and Connect to sync your PayPal account with your online store. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation that the connection was successful. Now, head back to WooCommerce's settings page and revisit the Payments tab. Click on PayPal again to open the full configuration page for this payment method. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Standard Card button or Advanced Card Processing. This is where you'll enable credit card payments. Check the option to allow customers to enter their credit card details directly on the checkout page. This is a key step in ensuring your customers can pay seamlessly without being redirected to PayPal's website. Next, locate the Environment drop-down menu at the top of the settings page. This setting determines whether you're in testing mode or live mode. If you want to run test transactions to make sure everything is working properly, select Sandbox mode. PayPal will provide you with sandbox credentials for this purpose. Once you're ready to start accepting real payments, switch the environment to live mode. Finally, make sure to save your settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This ensures all your configurations are applied and your store is ready to start processing payments. And that's it. You've successfully set up PayPal on WooCommerce to accept credit card payments directly on your site. Your customers can now enjoy a smooth and secure checkout experience, and you can focus on growing your business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.